Hi guys, I know I can't show my face, sorry. But I'm gonna be. I got from the Dollar Tree. I touched it one time, but I really had to go to some work. So I have some putty. It is from the Dollar Tree. It has these really cute containers. I know I'm not into slime that much, but really cute containers. I didn't really get. I just poked it, but I really didn't get a turn to like play with myself. By the way, today I'm making a new phone. Yay. Hooray, hooray, hooray. Okay, so let's just open this. I'm so excited. It's like, wow, I just super excited. My sister's still here, then all I do is basically tell my in-laws. And I'm happy with myself because I'm showing you guys slime, and I'm actually talking on video. Yeah. I don't show my face, and I was like, hey Marie, what's your face look like? Hey Marie, I need to know. Sorry guys, I'm not going to show my face. But in my next video, I'll show you guys my dog or my hands. I don't know yet. Okay, so this one, I didn't really get to go with the container. It says like in the house. Yes. Okay. Not really that good, but it's pretty good sign for the Dollar Tree. Or the Dollar and those things. Like no tax. Not really stretch. I probably have to go get a new craft. You guys can help me find one, really, but I don't have new crafts because this is really all I'm gonna do. Show you guys my stuff. Okay. So yeah, that's really all I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna take you guys to go get a new craft. So the camera's gonna be flipped around anyway, so you guys still won't be able to see my face. So I won't hold the camera the way you think I'm gonna hold it. No, show my face, never. Look, I'm gonna do it like this. There's Blue. Hi, Blue. Hi, Blue. Hey. Let's see what I have in this bag. You guys, stay right there. Oh, yes. Okay. I'm going to do this in my next video, actually. Make sure you guys check my next video, because I know this one's pretty short, but I didn't know I had all the stuff in it that I didn't know I had. So, yeah. I'll show you guys this in my next video. I didn't know I had any of this stuff here. I thought I only had a couple of nice things from my dad. So, yeah, we'll come back in our next video.